Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Poetry Tech. So today I have another exciting unboxing video for you guys. Alright, but before I get into this unboxing, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Alright, so what I have here today, as you can see, this is an Amazon package. And in this package we have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid with the rose gold edges. Alright, as you can see right now we have a clear case on this iPhone 11 Pro, and this is the white model. Well, it's considered silver on Apple, but it seems white in person. So we're gonna get in this unboxing here, get this case out, put it on the phone, and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna rip this open. Get this out of the way. Alright, so here we have iPhone 11 Pro, and this is the rose gold. This is a Spigen Ultra Hybrid. As you can see, the color is right here on the bottom. It says rose crystal. Alright, so we're gonna take this out of the box. Alright, and you can see here we got some plastic inside and on the back as well to prevent scratches. Alright, so we're gonna have to take those out since they're branded so you can see the phone clearly. One on the inside, one on the outside. See the difference when you take it out? Crystal clear. Look at this. And here you can see the rose gold going around the edges. It's not too bright, so it overpowers the color of the phone. Just enough, slightly gold, and it's still transparent, so you can see the edge of the phone right through this case. So we're gonna go ahead, look at the difference between these two. So you can see this one, the clear case that's on there currently, it's way clearer since it's not a colored case, it's just clear. So we're gonna put this on and you're gonna see the difference. So let me take this one off. See, this is the case without the phone inside, and you can see the color differences right here. Pull that up close, see the color on the top, the back, and the bottom. Alright, so put that aside. We're gonna put the case on. Alright, and putting this case on, it's a little harder to go on the phone compared to this one. That tells that it fits way more snug on the phone, and it also feels more premium as well. Even on the sides, the buttons really clicky. Look at that, really clicky buttons. And you look at this, really create like a highlight around the phone. You know, it creates a separation between the case and the phone, so you can see the case really pops. It's not overpowered by the color of the phone only. You can see the rose gold around the edges and around the camera bump right here. So also this has like a bump going around the camera here, so if you put it down on the back, it has protection. And if you look on the screen, you put it face down, it has protection as well. Alright, and these around the bumpers here, you can see that it's well protected. It's really hard, and the button, as I mentioned before, they're really clicky and nice. Alright, so again, this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. This is the rose crystal case. Here's the color. If you want to look that up, I got this on Amazon, so you can check that out on Amazon if you're interested in getting this case. And like a week ago, I pretty much got this color, the midnight green, the same brand, the Ultra Hybrid from Spigen. This is the midnight green. I did a review on my channel about this one. I also did the unboxing, and if you have a midnight green iPhone, I would definitely recommend this case. Looks really nice, goes really well with the phone. So if you want to see that video, you can go on the channel, check out the videos that I have on there, and you'll see the unboxing and review on this case. Alright, so that's it for the video, the unboxing and installation of the Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen, the rose crystal for the iPhone 11 Pro. Alright, and before you get off this video, head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. Alright, thank you for watching again. Peace.